In this video, we're going to introduce HTML tags and the anatomy of a tag. Combining multiple elements is what makes up the overall structure of a web page in HTML. The elements themselves are usually made up of an opening and closing tag, which can be thought of as wrappers or containers. There is more than one type of tag, but most follow the structure of a piece of text, started with an opening tag and ending with a closing tag. Let's start by looking at the opening tag. The character placed inside of the brackets is the type of the tag. So for a paragraph, we would place the letter P. The closing tag is exactly the same, except that we use a / after the first bracket. Attributes enable us to add more information about the element. We place the attribute inside the opening tag. To do this, we use a name and a value joined together by an equal sign. The name is the type of the attribute, and the value is the value you wish to be assigned. For best practices, the attribute name should be lowercased and enclosed within double quote marks. In the last video, I mentioned how HTML had evolved greatly since it was created. One of the aspects of this is how tag names for formatting have started to lean towards what we call semantics, or in other terms, the meaning. In the past, bold text would be referred to as bold, and italics as italics. Whilst we can still use these days it's becoming more common to use words such as strong and emphasized instead.